Hi, Mrs. Schneck. How's it going?
Good morning, Mr. Grant. I just can't get over how much snow we have.
I know, when I see that much snow, it makes me think about what it was like when I was a kid. And do you know what my favorite thing was to do in the snow? You probably don't. My favorite thing was to find the biggest hill I could and go down it on a sled.
Fun! You know what I'm going to do this weekend? I'm going to build a snowman family. I
Oh,
can't wait.
that is so much fun. When you come to group today, make sure you tell me and your group your favorite thing to do outside in the snow. So we're going to look at decimals today. Our learning target is I can represent decimals to the hundredths.
Decimals to the hundredths.
So we're going to talk first. So it helps to kind of talk about money. So if you have 9 pennies, that's like saying that you have 9 hundredths of a dollar.
Which is like 9 cents.
Right. Or if you had 36 cents, that's like saying you have 36 hundredths. So we could write that as a fraction like this.
That really makes sense, Mr. Grant, because I know that in a dollar, there are 100 pennies. So that cents is equivalent to the pennies, isn't it?
Yeah. There we go. And this really ties in with what we did yesterday because we looked at tenths and now we're looking at hundredths. So now we have this number grid. And this is showing 100. Do you know how many squares there are on this number grid?
10 across, 10 down. Is there 100?
So there'd be 100. So to show 100, how many would I have to color in?
1.
All right, so I'm going to do that. I'll do that right down here. So to write this as a decimal, we're going to write it like that because yesterday we talked, this is tenths, so that's hundredths.
That's a really small amount. 1/100th is not very big.
No, it's not very big at all. Now I'm going to give you a quiz. If I had that much shaded, what would my decimal be?
It would be 500th.
And I would write that like this, and my fraction would be like that.
There you go, yep.
Now I'm going to make it a little bit tougher. What would this decimal be?
Well, I know that there's 2 rows filled, so I know there are 2 tenths and 4 hundredths, so it would be 24 hundredths. So you'd have to keep that 0 there because it's not a full one, and then 2 tenths, 5 hundredths, and we would read it as, oh, sorry, it was 4, you're right, you were thinking that. So it would be 24 hundredths. That's starting to make sense. I really like this visual.
Yeah. So now I'm going to ask you, and by you I mean the 4th graders watching this, what this fraction would be. And I want you to be ready to share this right away in group. Or I'm sorry, what decimal would this be? So if you need to rewind this video to watch and figure out what this means, do that. So when you come to group, I'm going to show this to you. Be ready to say what decimal this would be and how we would say that as a fraction. So today we looking at writing hundredths using base 10 blocks. This is like our base 10 block. And I will see you in group.